In 2024, a lot of people are looking for companies where they can get to work remotely and earn very well. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a company where you can work remotely from anywhere you are in the world, be it Asia, Europe, the US, or even Africa. These people hire anybody as long as you're very skilled. So the name of this company is called Crossover, and one thing that you have to have in mind is that you have to be very skilled to work with this company, which means that if you are an entry level, or you are a beginner, you cannot really secure a job in this company. So you have to actually build yourself and your skill and be very good at your job to be able to land a job in this company. So I am going to be showing you how to apply by the end of this video, but firstly I'm going to walk you through on the things that you need to know and how to get a job in this company. So the first thing that you need to know is that you're going to be doing a test. It is called a CCAT test. This test is going to test your abilities to solving problem, and it's going to test for how much of a critical thinker that you are, and also if you are very fluent in English. So they are going to give you 50 questions as well, which you have to answer in 15 minutes, and you have to get a certain amount of questions correctly to be able to move to the next stage. So always make sure that before you apply to this company, do your research and practice for the interview. Don't just go there head on to take the interview. Make sure that you prepare for this interview, because you have to pass the interview very well to be able to move to the next stage. So the next stage is the interview, where you get to interact with the person who is going to hire you. So you're going to do a video call on Skype with your interviewer, where they will actually check if you are a good fit for this job. So like I said, you have to be very prepared. And after this interview, if you are able to pass this stage, you are going to be given rework to actually do to still see if you are a fit for this job. So when it comes to applying to this company, when it comes to applying to Crossover, you want to make sure that you are skilled and you're not just enticed by the money, because you're actually going to work. And another thing that you have to keep in mind is that the entire process from applying to getting a job takes 1 week. And then their payment method is actually through Payoneer, and they get to pay on a weekly basis. So I'm going to be showing you how you can apply to get this job. All you have to do is come to their website, Crossover, and then when you're in their website, this is how it is going to look like. If I'm going to scroll down for you to see, you can see here that it says top 1% of global talent, which means you have to be very good at your skill to be able to get a job in this place. If I scroll down, you see that there are a lot of people who have actually talked about their working experience with Crossover. You can see someone from the United States, from South Africa, from Brazil, from Nigeria, just everywhere in the world. So if you want to secure a job, if you want to apply for a job, all you have to do is go to this place that says for job seekers, and then click on current job openings. When you click on this, you're going to see this page, and here are some jobs that you can just go through. So you can go through these jobs and check which is a good fit for you, and then all you have to do is apply. So you can see this job here says $50 per hour. So if you get this job, you're going to be paid $50 per hour. So just click on this, and then you can see it says fully remote, which means that you'll be working from home. They are accepting people from any country. It is a full-time job, and you have to work for 40 hours per week. This is also a long-term role. So to apply for this job, all you have to do is to just click on apply now, and then this is going to come out. So you have to fill in your name, your last name, your email, and every other thing here that you can see. And when you fill this, you just submit this and then you get a feedback from them. So make sure that before you apply to this company that you have actually done your homework and your research on questions that you are going to be asked and how you can answer these questions, and then you will be on your way to, you know, getting financial freedom and getting a job with this company. So I hope this video has helped you. If this video was helpful, please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video.